Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to unban someone on Facebook page. Watch the video till the very end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You might have banned someone on your Facebook page who continually publish spam on your pages, so you can choose to unban them at any time you want. When you ban someone from your page, they'll still be able to share content from your page to other places on Facebook, but they'll no longer be able to publish to your page. To unban someone from your page, go to Facebook and from the home screen, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right and tap on Pages. Tap on any page you want to unban a person from and tap on the settings button located at the upper right from the Facebook page homepage. From the menu, tap on People and Other Pages and tap on Banned People and Pages from the menu. If you have banned someone from your page, then the list should be appearing right here. To unban them, simply tap on Unban and the person will be unbanned from your Facebook page. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be surely back again with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.